Alright guys, it's Sunday, early afternoon. Ooh. Yeah. Blowing pretty good out there. You see the dust from the lot next door. And of course there is a storm brewing anytime now. Whoop. Oh, that whole clothing rack just flew over. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one or a bad one depending on how you look at it. I'll be inside, so it'll be good for me. But yeah, probably not gonna get this up till tomorrow. I doubt if I'll be going anywhere today. But maybe I can get some cool shots once it really starts coming down. Talk to you later. Ooh, some lightning. What? What? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hi. Alright guys, it's a Monday morning. Obviously I did not record any more of that storm last night. It was pretty bad. We had to actually shut the door, much to my chagrin. That breeze felt pretty good actually. But all the rain, because of the wind was more brutal than the rain. I've actually seen worse rain here, but the wind was vicious. And kept blowing in the rain and debris and all manner of things. So we had to shut the door, and I didn't want to get my camera out there. So obviously that didn't happen. But right now I'm down here at my coffee shop, and she wants her dollar. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright guys, got my coffee. I wanted to show you these. We have something here, a service here, that's really gained in popularity lately. There's a better view of it. It's called the Pass app. Basically it's like an Uber for tuk-tuks. I haven't used it. I haven't downloaded the app. But there's an app you can download, and of course you use it and it works like Uber. Call for a car. They let you know how far away they are, when they're going to be there, the location. And from what I've heard, what everybody's been saying is that it's cheaper than a tuk-tuk eventually. Even if a ride's only $2, you might only pay $150 or $175 with the Pass app. They use an actual meter type deal. All the drivers, I believe it's on their phone, and they start it when you take off. So there's no haggling for price. If you're one of those people who don't like to haggle or don't like to negotiate, it might be a good option. They recently had 35 of those things land in Siem Reap and unboxed and hitting the streets. I think they're okay. I mean, they might save you a few bucks, but the negative thing I see is that if you're a tourist just stopping by Cambodia and you know anything about Cambodia, you know about the tuk-tuks. And before I came here, one of the things I really wanted to do was take a tuk-tuk ride. I've never been in one. We watch videos of people in tuk-tuks. I thought, this is awesome. I can't wait to do it. It's kind of a, even though it's the main form of public transportation here, and that will probably never change, but it's also one of those things tourists love. It's like because you don't see that in the West, of course. It's just something cool, something neat that you're in an open air like this one, just an open air regular tuk-tuk. The wind in your face and all that. I thought it was pretty exciting. Even if they would have, those Pass app vehicles, which are smaller, more economical, but even if they would have been here when I first got here, I probably still would have been using tuk-tuks, because it's about the whole experience of being here, you know? It's one of those things you have to do, I think. Hello. But there is another option for you people. Like I said, you don't like negotiating. You want to save a few, 25, 50 cents every time if you're planning on taking them a lot. Might be a better option. But for me, I am going to stick with the regular tuk-tuks. I have a good rapport with the guys that hang out by my building. And of course, it also helps them feed their families, pay their bills, etc. Came down to the market for a couple things. Seng needed what I'm going to describe and probably be called a sexist as chick stuff. Makeup, something for her face, some face cream or something. And I'm running out of body soap, so picked all that. We'll pick all that up while we're here. Not really sure where all this stuff is here. You? I guess we're going this way. Seriously, the last time I bought my soap, I believe it was down here, but I can't remember where, because it's something you only buy once every couple months, And of course, I do not have the memory of an elephant. I have no idea where anything is. I'm just now getting to the point where I can navigate my way around if I were alone at night and not get lost. So I know people who can go to a strange town and just pick up on it right away. They just give them a couple days and they'll know shortcuts. They'll know exactly where they're going, how to get there. Probably be able to give directions better than some locals. But I am not one of those people. Alright, we're going to try to find out where this place is. It's starting to look familiar. Those are pretty cool. Like those little decorations. Yeah, I like all that stuff. If I had the money, my apartment would be full of them. Well,
sir, you want t-shirt for you?
No, thank you. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, we are done with our shopping. Well, not quite. I'm not quite done. I just got to stop at the corner store. I couldn't find the place I bought my shampoo or my body soap last. I used a body wash. It was a big bottle. Smelled good. I couldn't find the place that sold it. The place where Seng got her makeup stuff had body wash, but it was all Western brand names, and those are pretty expensive here because it's imported. Of course, they had Dove body wash for men, but for a bottle about half the size of what I bought last time, it's almost double the price. It's like $5.50. Because like I said, sometimes things are more expensive here if they have to be imported from the West, or their name brand things. But they have many, many cheaper alternatives. You just have to find them. And some of these booths in the markets are really tiny and hard to miss if you're not looking. And with the narrow space and sometimes a lot of people walking through, it's totally possible I walked right by and didn't even see it. But anyway, I know the corner store has the stuff like I bought last time. Should only be about $2, $2.50 maybe. So I have to stop there, but we got some more sauces for cooking, and a bag full of we had some fruit, couple veggies, just some things we were out of. We still have like meat and vegetables and all that good stuff. And this came the sauces, the bag of assorted. Yeah, that bag with all that. This bag right here, it came to 6,500 real, which is, let me say, $1.50. Actually, $2.50 because there was a dollar bill in there. Yeah, $2.50 for everything. So not bad. Her makeup thing costs like $1.50 or something. It's a whole makeup bag with her face cream and some moistening cream. I don't know. When she was in there, I just sat there bored. I have no knowledge of most of the things they were selling, what they were for, or why there's so many of them. Maybe one of you women can explain to me why there's like 20 different brands and colors and shades of mascara, but they only have 2 types of body wash for men. I don't, and they're both expensive. I don't understand. Maybe you can clarify. But I'm gonna stop here now. The Aspera Market. Talk to you guys later. All right, guys, we're back home. I just wanted to show you this. We went and got all that goodies at the market. But Seng is having a snack. Yep. Those are ants. Those are ants. She's having a snack of ants. I did not try the ants. I do like the crickets. Didn't try the ants. There's another storm brewing, as you can see from the sky. Oh yeah. It's getting windy. Again, but that's what you get when it's rainy season. Here's some of the things we've been going over for English. Going over some contractions, what they are, and of course how to use them in a sentence. The affirmative ones, yes I can, yes I will, yes I do, and the ones that are negative or mean no. No I can't, no I won't, or no I don't. So we're going over those, what they mean. See, she's having ants. Look at them bananas. They're sitting there all nice and ripe. Nice and ripe bananas, but she's eating ants. Anyway, gonna get up tomorrow. There's a couple more schools I heard about. I'm looking them up on Google Maps in a little while to map them out. Grab a tuk-tuk. I already have all my color pictures attached now to my resume packet. Ooh, and they're all ready to go. And the rain is just now starting. Just now starting. We're going to work on a couple more things today. Going to get into some conjunctions. Just a couple at a time. There are 7 altogether. But here is the body wash I told you about. Really cheap. That I couldn't seem to find anywhere else at the market. Like I said, I didn't really look. We got sauces, all the rice, some fruit, and ants, of course, everywhere. They love the fruit. There were ants. Ants no more. Well, yeah, that's about it. Kind of a boring day. Can't really do much when it's raining like this, or about to rain like that. You don't really know how far you got to walk until it starts coming down. So better to spend some time inside, I think. But this one may be short, but I'll end it here because there's nothing much going on, and I don't want to bore you too much with repetition. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one.